what challenges did you face on day one? You got there, pharma company, right, making generics, I think. Generics.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a large pharma company, and it has a large network of CMOs and licensors. It's called their ESO, their External Supply Organization. Very important. In fact, it represents 50% of their revenue comes from their
Oh,
ESO organization.
so heavy
Um,
reliance on their CMOs, basically. Yeah.
Absolutely, very heavy reliance. And the supply relationship management is obviously very key in these areas. And we found that, without being unfair, it wasn't mature. It wasn't as mature as kind of what we expected. And the suppliers' performance was really quite poor in terms of OTIF, out of stocks, overstocks, not delivering when we wanted. So it makes planning very, very difficult when you have no confidence that a delivery will take place when you expect it in the right
Yeah.
quantities. And
Yeah.
again, so that the implications of that is either too much inventory, you become too risk averse, or you in
Yeah.
fact have out of stock situations.
Yeah.
There was also not much collaboration between all the different functions that are necessary to run a correct relationship with the supplier, shall we say. So it's not just the supply relationship management, it's the quality, it's supply chain, it's the procurement, it's the business development, it's tech transfer, it's launch management, it's finance, it's the markets. All these different functions have a lot to play
Yeah.
um, in their liaisons with the suppliers or the CMOs, licensors.
Yeah.
And it was appearing they were all doing this independently. They're all contacting suppliers independently. There was no central
Oh,
forum really. So
oh,
you can understand why that can often cause disparities. You could blame other functions for issues. And so there was no team thinking, there was no mindset that really felt we're all pulling on the same rope here, we're all in the same team. And that's why, absolutely, you can see a very strong line between that and why performance of suppliers was pretty poor.